Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a very easy recipe to make your own cheeseburger at home. Let us look at the ingredients first. These ingredients would easily be available at any grocery shop near you. First of all, you will need a cheese. Prefer to use the cheese in the slice form. The second thing you're gonna need is the gram flour. You can also use baking powder instead of it. The third thing you're going to need are the burger buns. You can also use sliced bread if they are not available. The next thing you're going to need are the breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs can easily be made at home by crushing the bread in a bowl and letting it set for a certain time period so that they become crunchy. The last thing you're going to need are the kebabs, or you can also use chicken patties instead of them. Now add some water in the gram flour as per the requirement. Now stir it well to make the consistency very uniform like a paste. Now add some breadcrumbs in the paste and stir it well to make the consistency very uniform and thick. Now cover your kebabs or chicken patties in this thick paste. Now let them deep fry in a pan for 15 to 20 minutes until they get red like this. Place the kebab along with the cheese on the griddle to make them melt a little. Please like, share and comment down below to share your thoughts. Hit on the subscription button provided at your right and click on your left to watch another video from my channel.